Hello, what's up guys, welcome to the new video. In this video we will learn about the Appolonius theorem. Now according to this theorem, if we are given the triangle, that is the triangle ABC, and D is the midpoint of the line BC, and we extend the line from A to D, then the sum of the squares of the two sides of the triangle. So let's suppose the two sides of the triangle in this case are AB and AC. The sum of the square of the two sides of the triangle is equal to the twice of the AD square plus BD square. Now according to the statement of this theorem, now we are given BD is equal to DC. So BD is equal to DC because we know that D is the midpoint of the line BC. So we will do some sort of construction. We will draw a line AM perpendicular to the line BC. So this is the line AM. Now we are given the three triangles, that is the triangle ABM, the triangle AMD, and the triangle AMC. So according to the triangle ABM, we will apply the Pythagoras theorem that says that the hypotenuse square is equal to the perpendicular square plus base square. So in this case hypotenuse is AB, so AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. Similarly the triangle AMD, so AD square is equal to AM square plus MD square. Similarly the triangle AMC, the AC square is equal to AM square plus MC square. So from this theorem, if we take the left hand side, that is AB square plus AC square. Now we know that the AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square, and AC square is equal to AM square plus MC square. So AM square plus AM square, that will be 2AM square plus now BM square. So BM, we can write BM as BD minus MD. So BD minus MD whole square plus MC square. We can write MC as MD plus DC. So MD plus DC, or we can write BD instead of DC because BD is equal to DC. So MD plus BD square. So 2AM square plus, now we will apply the formula A minus B whole square, that is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. So BD square minus 2BD into MD plus MD square plus, now here also A plus B whole square, that is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So MD square plus 2MD BD plus BD square. So minus 2BD MD and plus 2MD BD, that will be cancelled. So 2AM square plus 2BD square plus 2MD square. So we will replace them, 2AM square plus 2MD square plus 2BD square. So we will take the 2 common, so 2, and in the bracket AM square plus MD square plus 2BD square. We know that AM square plus MD square is equal to AD square from here. So 2AD square plus 2BD square. So we will take the 2 common again. So that is 2, in the bracket we write AD square plus BD square. So that is the right hand side of the column.